Hi guys, and welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how I do my animations because a lot of people ask me about that, and yeah, let's get right into it. So the programs that I use are Videoshop and Ibis Paint. I use Ibis Paint to draw the frames and Videoshop to put them together. For my animations, I always want to use the YouTube size so the video isn't weird, and the YouTube size is 1280 pixels times 720 pixels. So now you actually just have to draw your frames and put them together. I'm just gonna show you how I drew my map part or the outro of the map for Mondstern.